Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. 6 top on 6 bottom teeth. This is 925 solid sterling silver with the diamond dust finish and the white border. You can get this for the top, bottom, or a top and bottom set. That's up to you. It is a handmade grill, so it's going to fit perfectly. High quality, real Grillz, guys. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get quality handmade work, beautiful, real 925 silver teeth grills. Well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.